In this video, you will learn to prepare a soothing Mediterranean eggplant and tomato skillet designed specifically to support your digestive comfort. This recipe solves the challenge of finding flavorful meals that remain ultra gentle on the system by prioritizing a soft, melt-in-the-mouth texture.
It is a wonderfully easy, one-pan preparation that minimizes kitchen stress and cleanup. Highly versatile and accessible, this dish uses common pantry staples to create a nourishing meal suitable for a light lunch or a gentle side. You will enjoy a balanced, flavorful experience that is as easy to make as it is to consume. To prepare this gentle meal for one, begin with half a medium eggplant, ensuring it is fully peeled and finely diced for the best texture. You will need half a cup of crushed canned tomatoes or a smooth fresh puree to create the base. For the cooking liquid, have a quarter cup of water or mild vegetable broth ready, with a little extra on hand for steaming. Include 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil for healthy fats, plus a pinch of salt and dried oregano. Finally, accent the dish with crumbled feta or a bright squeeze of lemon. Begin by peeling the eggplant completely, as removing the skin is essential for promoting easier digestion and a smoother texture. Once peeled, dice the eggplant precisely into very small $1/2 inch cubes to ensure they soften evenly throughout the cooking process. If you are opting for fresh tomatoes, take a moment to remove the skins and seeds to accommodate higher digestive sensitivity. Finally, measure out your broth or water so it is ready to go. Having your liquids prepared prevents the pan from drying out and keeps the preparation process calm and organized. To ensure the eggplant is as mild and tender as possible, start by lightly salting the cubes and allowing them to rest for 5 minutes. This draws out any potential bitterness, which you can then gently pat away with a clean cloth. Next, set the stage for a calm cooking process by preparing a medium nonstick skillet and a tight-fitting lid for steaming. With the heat still off, organize your workspace so that every ingredient is within arm's reach. This intentional preparation creates a relaxed environment, allowing you to focus entirely on the gentle transformation of the meal. Begin by turning your stove to a steady medium-low heat. Drizzle the olive oil into the skillet and add the diced eggplant, allowing it to sauté for about 3 to 4 minutes. You are looking for the edges to become slightly translucent and soft. Once they reach this stage, add 2 tablespoons of your cooking liquid and promptly cover the pan with a lid. This allows the eggplant to steam soften for another 5 minutes, ensuring every piece becomes perfectly tender and gentle on the palate before moving to the next stage of the recipe. Once the eggplant has softened, carefully add the crushed tomatoes and the remaining cooking liquid to the pan. Use a wooden spoon to stir gently, ensuring the eggplant cubes are fully submerged in the sauce. Bring the mixture to a low, steady simmer before covering the skillet with a tight-fitting lid. Allow it to cook for 10 to 12 minutes, giving the eggplant enough time to fully break down. You will notice the cubes begin to melt into the tomato base, creating a thick, jammy consistency that is exceptionally gentle on the digestive system. Remove the lid and check the consistency of your skillet. It should now be thick, jammy, and beautifully moist. Gently stir in your light seasoning of salt and dried herbs to enhance the natural flavors without overwhelming the palate. If you are using feta, sprinkle the crumbles evenly over the top and immediately turn off the heat. Cover the pan one last time and let it sit for 2 minutes. This brief rest allows the residual heat to soften the cheese to a perfect, creamy texture, ensuring the final dish is cohesive and comforting for your digestion. Gently transfer the finished skillet mixture into a shallow serving bowl, allowing the soft, jammy vegetables to settle naturally. For a refined presentation, finish the dish with a tiny drizzle of fresh olive oil to provide a silky mouthfeel and a boost of healthy fats. It is best to serve the meal warm rather than hot, as extreme temperatures can sometimes irritate a sensitive stomach. This portion size is carefully designed to be a moderate, nourishing serving that satisfies your hunger and supports your well-being without leaving you feeling overwhelmed or heavy. This Mediterranean skillet offers a thoughtful approach to digestive wellness by prioritizing both texture and nourishment. By peeling the eggplant and allowing the ingredients to simmer slowly, we remove common roughage triggers, creating a soft, stew-like consistency that is effortless to consume and swallow. This gentle preparation ensures you receive a concentrated boost of antioxidants and healthy fats without taxingly heavy digestion. Ultimately, this dish provides a balanced, soothing meal that supports steady internal comfort and consistent well-being, proving that a meal can be both deeply flavorful and exceptionally kind to your system.